Aloha! Welcome to KTA COOKIN recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're gonna make grilled sweet chili chicken wings. To make the marinade, blend the garlic, ginger, curry paste, tempura sauce, sweet chili sauce, fish sauce, and cilantro until smooth. Place the chicken wings in a large bowl or pan and coat them evenly with half of the marinade. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour, or ideally overnight, for a deeper flavor. Reserve the remaining marinade. When ready to cook, preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Grill the wings for about 10 to 12 minutes, turning occasionally until they develop a nice char and are partially cooked through. When grilling, preheat the oven 400 degrees. Transfer the wings to an oven-safe dish, pour the remaining marinade over them, and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the wings are fully cooked and caramelized. Serve hot with your favorite side dishes and optional fresh herb garnish. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.